your demons away. Push aside what you analyze. It seems I always want what I can't have. You'll never stop me, I'll keep pushing till the end. Then comes the rain, like a wish you'll melt away. Who owns the fame? Blinding like your selfish shame. As I feel your breath on my neck, I lay awake. Tomorrow go to school, pretend that it's okay. I know I'll find the cure, the demons left behind. And as I smile, you fall and break and slip away.